Are you looking for the best KVM switch? In this video we will look at some of the top KVM switches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. CKLau KVM Switch. It supports all resolutions, including 4K by 2K Ultra HD, 1080p Full HD, 3D video, and high-definition audio. It controls the computer's mouse with wireless remote control, so you don't have to move your hands from the keyboard. It connects up to 4 computers to one HDMI monitor and shares peripherals. It is compatible with DVRs, NVRs and surveillance applications. It installs in minutes without any software or drivers needed. At number 2. TESmart KVM Switch. It supports a dual monitor with a max resolution of 1080p at 60 Hz. It is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8.1, 32 and 64, Mac OS 10.6 to 10.12. It comes with eDID emulators in each input port, keeps PCs always having correct display information. It features an integrated USB hub that allows you to plug in your mouse and keyboard. It includes a built-in video scaler so that it can be used with both analog and digital monitors. At number 1. KVM Switch ABLEWE. It is a device that allows you to control 2 or more computers with one keyboard, mouse and monitor. It has 2 built-in USB ports for connecting your devices. It also includes an audio jack, so you don't have to worry about losing sound quality when switching between computers. It supports 1080p HD video output and has an auto-switching function that detects when new devices are connected. This KVM switch works with great compatibility, driver-free for Windows 10, 8, 8.1, 7, Vista, XP and Mac OS, Linux and Chrome OS. So, that sums up this video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Until next time, have a great day.